I swear if he sees this, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my gosh, okay. Hopefully it doesn't stop recording. So, Nate and Aidette just went to go get Nate, and we're gonna prank him, and we're gonna say that last night we went to Chris Brown's house and that he like tried to kiss us. Well, kissed her, and we're gonna see what Nate says. But yeah, they're like on their way up right now. I think they're coming. They're on their way up right now, and then yeah, because we told him we went to sleep at like 5 in the morning, but we didn't really tell him where we went. So
hello, Cinder.
what did you do, baby?
She was just right there. I can use something.
What is that, laundry?
Yep.
We brought her cold laundry over.
Oh my gosh.
I just need to dry it. It's our dryer, bro.
Your dryer, bro?
Yeah, the button fucking. It's not actually. I'm out here old school drying it on the balcony and the.
So tell us the tea. What did you do yesterday?
Yeah, we went to your house.
We went to your freaking house, Nathaniel.
Why? Why?
Huh?
Why?
Wait, didn't you say that he told you to go?
I did not. I did not tell her. I did not. If you read our text, I did not tell her to go to my place.
Oh. Well, we were freaking out anyways because our door was fucking creepy. So what did you do last night?
I was trapped at that place. That second address. I was trapped.
You were trapped? Oh, because the cops came, so they wouldn't let
Yeah, they were
anyone.
out there forever.
They wouldn't let anyone leave.
No, the owners, because there's some people that were under 18, but like in their Muslim, they're freaking out. They're like, no one can leave or come in right now.
What kind of party
You
is
see that
that?
story? How many hate bottles they had?
Yeah. What?
That was insane.
Did you tell him where we went? Maybe.
Well, you gotta tell me now. Where'd you go?
Lindsay!
Wait, you didn't tell him?
I did.
Tell you where we went to the second address?
I did tell him.
Oh.
Oh, you went to a second address?
I told you about it.
You didn't tell me that.
I did.
I thought you sent me one address and then you said it got shut down in like 30 minutes.
I'm pretty sure I sent you the second address.
No, I can pull up the text.
The after party? You didn't tell him about the after party?
Hello? I literally. What after party?
No, she was just kidding.
Why are you guys being so sus right now? You're literally smiling.
I thought you told him. I mean, it wasn't anything bad.
Okay, you guys are acting like it's like something. Like it's a big deal. Why did you not tell me? You said you went home. You said you had a.
Yeah, but then you weren't even responding to her.
Yeah, you
in the
weren't.
first place.
I thought I sent you the second address, but you just said
I don't think he was responding.
I literally said we were going home. Like the night was over. They weren't letting anyone in. They weren't letting anyone out.
But you responded like really late, like an hour later.
Yeah, like you always do.
Okay, so what's the point? Where did you guys go? Why can't you tell me? Why are you guys being weird? Like giving weird eye contact. Like I'm not sitting right here.
It was the same place where she went last time.
Which was what? That doesn't help me.
It's not anything bad. She doesn't have anything to hide.
You know how I went to that party the other day with Chris Brown?
You went to Chris Brown's?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, he performed No Guidance. He was like looking at Aidette when he was singing it.
I'm sure he
I mean,
was.
you have to say all of that.
Did you talk to you?
Yeah.
What did you guys talk about?
Well, he just, like, it wasn't even like really anything serious. He just told me that he remembered me from the party.
I'm sure he did.
But it wasn't like a big deal. Like he wasn't being like weird or anything.
So why didn't you tell me that you were going to like Chris Brown's party?
Because I thought you'd get mad.
Hmm.
But like I'm sure you had like fun without me telling
No,
you.
let's go. I'm cool. That's cool.
It was really fun actually.
I'm sure it was. Who else was there?
Torlings, some of his friends. Who else? Eric Bellinger was there too.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm.
And he came up to me and he was like, "Oh, I remember you from your last party." It was cool.
That's cool. We're gonna do this video?
Yeah. I mean, Torlings was like all over Cindy. He was like really feeling her, huh?
Yeah.
Did you get his number?
No. But Chris Brown thought that was cute, right?
Stop!
He kept like touching her. So.
He was touching her?
Cindy really wasn't.
He was touching you?
I mean, it's nothing to hide. It's not like she was doing anything back, but
He was touching you. What does that mean? Like, were you touching him back?
no, she wasn't.
Chris Brown was touching you. How long were you there for?
Like 2 hours? Right.
So what did you do when Chris Brown touched you? I'm curious.
I mean, like, I didn't really do anything back. It's just like, I was just like chill with it because I mean, it's Chris Brown. What are you doing?
My dude.
Nathaniel?
I'll come back for that.
For what? Nate!
No.
What are you doing?
No.
Wait, stop running me that. Our money's gonna get out. Hold on. Stop. Wait, I haven't even finished telling the story. We made out too. I made out with Chris Brown.
You made out with Chris Brown? You made out with Chris Brown?
Yeah.
See, I knew.
No.
As soon as you said I made out with Chris Brown.
How does it feel to know that Chris Brown took your girl?
Girl.
My ex-girl. My ex-girl. My ex-girl.
And I.
Look at that, that's fucking flippers. Okay.
Kiss. I'm just kidding.
How does it feel that you just got pranked?
Technically,
No, don't even do that.
I believed it up until you said you kissed him.
No, that's
'Cause
I mean.
I know you wouldn't just kiss Chris Brown. Anyway,
What is that supposed to mean, huh?
you're a good look.
You're a good what?
We're friends.
Huh?
We're friends. No.
Huh? What is that supposed to mean?
Nothing. You got me.
I did.
No, I know you actually did get me the first part. I was really mad.
Truce?
No.
Friend?
No. Not truce.
I am still winning prank wars.
You're actually not winning prank wars.
No, and it's over already.
No,
So
it's
that was
over
like-
after.
Stop trying to hold my hand, you weirdo.
Dude, honestly,
You're freaking awkward.
you're awkward.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this prank that Cindy and I did on Nathaniel. Stop touching me, you weirdo. Ex-boyfriend.
As you're touching me right
Limits.
now.
There's
Why
limits.
are you touching me?
There's limits. Alright, well tell them what they need to do.
Guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. The prank wars doesn't stop. I'm gonna get her back. My friend. I'm gonna get you back.
Stop being awkward. Alright, bye.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. We need to go. Let's go. Oh my god. I don't have any clothes. You're shaking right now. That was the scariest thing ever. My mom is freaking out. There was just a huge earthquake. I'm literally shaking. Dude. Oh my god. I thought it was a joke. We are out this hoe.